Your eyes are one of the most important organs in our body, and it is essential to keep them healthy in order to maintain good vision. While genetics plays a role in determining eye health, there are several factors that can contribute to maintaining good eyesight, such as eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding stress. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables has been shown to have a positive impact on eye health. In this video, we will discuss the top vegetables that can help improve eyesight. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. They contain vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for good eye health. Spinach, in particular, is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are known to protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 1. Carrots. Carrots are well known for their ability to improve eyesight. This is because they contain high levels of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good eye health and helps to prevent night blindness and other vision problems. 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are another excellent vegetable for improving eyesight. They are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium, which are all essential for maintaining good eye health. Beta-carotene helps to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals, while vitamin C helps to reduce inflammation in the eyes. 3. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining good eye health. Vitamin C helps to reduce inflammation in the eyes and protects them from damage caused by free radicals. Bell peppers are also a good source of beta-carotene, which can help to improve eyesight. 4. Squash. Squash, particularly pumpkin, is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are all essential for good eye health. These vitamins help to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and can help to reduce inflammation in the eyes. Squash is also a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are two antioxidants that are known to protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. In conclusion, eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables is essential for maintaining good eye health. The above-mentioned vegetables are excellent sources of vitamins and antioxidants that help to protect the eyes from damage and maintain good vision. So, make sure to include them in your diet to keep your eyes healthy and improve your eyesight.